and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Joe Kemp and I live with my husband and my little girl in Florida, and we just moved down here in May. So we're new to the area, and I love cooking, and I love just doing all the things. So that's kind of what my videos are about, just a little bit of everything as far as decorating, household stuff, cooking. I am behind in my videos, so yeah, it's just been a little crazy, and so thank you for being patient with me and still being here, and I hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. It will help me out, and let me know in the comments what you like to see or what you would like to see in future videos, and I will try to accommodate you. So thanks so much for being here, and I will explain some of the food here as we go. So for my first recipe here, I looked at several different ones on Pinterest, but I just ended up making up my own then, just because I couldn't find any that was the way I wanted it to be. So basically you just put like a dozen of eggs, you beat them up, and then you add whatever toppings you like, whatever you like in your egg bites. I used red peppers, which they're just like the sweet red peppers, and then cheese and bacon and mushrooms. And I think that was all. And then seasonings, and we love those. So, but you guys can add whatever you like. For yours, whatever personalized, that's what I love about egg bites. You can personalize it for each person, and so that's awesome. And also, I do have a secret I would like to tell you guys. So, I've made egg bites quite a bit before, and I just never thought they were as, like, I really like them, but I thought the texture wasn't quite right. So I decided this time I'm going to put a baking pan on the shelf below my egg bites with water in it. And I just love how they turned out. They turned out so much like the Starbucks egg bites. The texture was amazing. So definitely, if you've made egg bites before and you haven't done that, definitely try that, because I am sure you guys will like it if you like egg bites. So yeah, let me know if you try that and how you guys like it. I love when you guys let me know feedback on things that you make. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. So here I have my egg bites, and I just want to show y'all that it looks very similar to the Starbucks egg bites, and I am super excited about these. Also, I just added some salsa, and that is how I am going to eat these. So here I just decided I'm going to put some strawberries and bananas into the freezer for smoothies. And I had gotten some extra ones because they were having a good sale. And so that is what I'm doing here. And so for the smoothie recipe, I don't have a specific recipe. I like to just add yogurt or milk, and just, you can kind of add whatever you want. But if your fruit's frozen, it really helps to keep it like thicker versus just using fresh fruit, and that is why I like to have them in the freezer, plus they stay good. So there are like two wins. And what I did, I just individually laid these all out on a pan, and then I froze them for a while, and then I got them out and put them in bags. so that they wouldn't stick together from the beginning. Another thing I love about that is that you can just grab one bag out and it has, all the fruit in it that you want, and then you can just make yourself a smoothie and you're good to go. You don't have to clean all your fruit or like get several different bags out and mix it. It's just super simple and easy and stress-free. So while I had all these strawberries on hand, I decided, you know what, I'm going to make a strawberry pie. And I have several different strawberry pie recipes, so I kind of switch off between the different kinds because I like several different kinds a lot. And so I did use the pie crust recipe that my mom and sisters use. I don't make a lot of pie crust. I just don't make a lot of pie. I don't know why. It's not hard. It's just, yeah, we don't eat a lot of desserts, so I don't make a lot of desserts at all, period. So yeah, I guess that's why. So for a little bit here, I did think that my crust was gonna be trash. It wasn't gonna work, but it worked great and it was tasted great, and so that was awesome. But I think I mixed it a little bit too long with the mixer, and since I haven't made crust for a while, yeah, I couldn't remember how long I needed to mix it. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!